السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
السلام عليكم.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته. ازيك يا محمد؟
الحمد لله.
الحمد لله رب العالمين. كنتوا كام الحصة الأولى يا محمد؟
نعم مستر.
كام طالب الحصة الأولى؟
كم طالب الحصة الأولى؟ كان 12.
طيب هننتظر بس دقيقة واحدة كده. Okay, let's start. نبدأ. Today we are going to talk about how can plants adapt with their habitat. How can plants adapt with their habitat. ازاي النباتات بتتأقلم مع بيئتها. We have here two kinds of plants. Acacia tree again. Acacia tree اللي هي شجرة بنسميها شجرة الصن and lotus flower. Acacia tree and lotus flower. Okay. We're going to talk first about the lotus flower. Lotus flower اللي هي زهرة اللوتس. Okay. The lotus flower grows only in fresh water. The lotus flower grows only in the fresh water. يعني زهرة اللوتس دي بتنمو فقط في المياه العذبة. The lotus flower grows only in the fresh water. The leaves of the plant are large. Look, the leaves, the green leaves, الأوراق الخضراء are large and round. بتكون كبيرة الحجم and round ومستديرة which float وبتطفو on the surface of the flower of the water. close your camera يوسف الفيومي. The leaves of the plant are large and round which float بتساعد على الطفو on the surface of the water على سطح الماء to get the sunlight. To get the sunlight. I want to now to listen to raise your hand. Yes, Anas. Acacia tree. Yes, Anas. طيب. أحمد وائل.
Acacia tree and lotus flower. Lotus flower. The lotus flower grows only in fresh water. The leaves of the plant are large and round, which float on the surface on the water to get this sunlight.
Thank
The
you very much,
petals
Ahmed.
of the flower.
Thank you very much, Ahmed. Thank you. Yes, Muhammad Said. Acacia tree.
Yes, teacher. Acacia tree and lots of flower. Lots of flower. The lots of flower Mr. Fishes, the lotus flower grow only in the fresh water. The leaves of the plant are long, large,
Large.
and large and round, which float on the surface of the water to get the sunlight.
Thank you very much, Muhammad. Okay, I want now to listen to Salman. Acacia tree.
Acacia tree and
Lotus.
lotus flower, lotus flower. The lotus, the lotus flower grows
Only.
grows only 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 in fresh water. The leaves of the plant are long and round, which float on the surface of the water to get the sunlight.
Thank you very much, Salman. Thank you very much. Let's move to Omar Ihab. Acacia tree.
Acacia tree and lotus flower. The lotus flower grows only in fresh water.
Good. The leaves
The leaves of the plant are large and round, which
float
float
on the
on
surface.
the surface of the water to get the sunlight.
Thank you very much. Excellent.
The
Thank you very much, Omar. Where is Abdurrahman Shuaib? Hello, Abdurrahman.
I'm here.
Okay, acacia tree.
Acacia tree and lotus tree for flower.
Mm.
The lotus flower grows only in fresh water. The leaves in the plant
Of the
is
plant.
large of the plant are large and round, which float on the surface
Surface.
surface of the water to get the sunlight.
Thank you very much, Abdurrahman Shuaib. Okay, Anas. Acacia tree, Anas.
Acacia tree and lotus
Lotus flower. Yes.
lotus flower. The lotus flower grows only in fresh water. The leaves of the plant are large and round, which
Float.
on the surface, float on the surface of the water to get the sunlight.
Thank you very much, Anas. Okay, where is Malik? Malik. Acacia tree.
Acacia tree and lotus
Lotus.
flowers. Lotus flowers. The lotus flower grows only in fresh water. The leaves of the plant are large and round, which
float
on the on the surface
surface.
of the surface of the water to get the sunlight.
Thank you very much,
The
Malik. Thank you very much, Malik. Okay, Khalid. Hello, Khalid.
lotus flower grows uh,
Grows on
only in fresh water. The
leaves,
leaves of the plant or
large,
long,
large,
and large and round, which flat
float
or float on the surface of the water to get the sun long
light. Thank you very much.
line.
Thank you. يبقى again the lotus flower زهرة اللوتس grows only in fresh water في المياه العذبة. Okay, like the river Nile زي نهر النيل. The leaves الأوراق of the plant, look, the green leaves of the plant are large كبيرة and round ومستديرة, which float وبتطفو on the surface of the water. Surface of the water اللي هو سطح الماء to get the sunlight. Okay. The petals اللي هي البتلات بيسموها البتلات. ايه البتلات دي يا مستر؟ اللي هي اوراق الزهرة. Look, the petals of the flower are also large بتكون برضو كبيرة, colorful ملونة, and look like a triangle. Again, the petals لو قلنا البتلات اللي هي الأوراق الزهرة of the flower are large, colorful, and look like a triangle. شبه المثلث. The stem of the plant is too long. ساق النبات دوت is too long. طويلة جدا. Soft ومرنة. So it can fix the plant. بيثبت النبات at the bottom of the river. في أسفل النهر. Okay. I want to now to listen to Yusuf الفيومي. Yes, Yusuf. The petals
of the flower are large, colorful, and look like a
triangle.
triangle. The stem of the plant is too long, so soft, so it can fix the plant at the bottom of the river.
Thank you very much. Musa? Musa?
Yes,
The petals?
the beetles.
Yes.
بس عندي معلقة.
طيب اطلع واخرج تاني، اخرج وادخل تاني يا موسى. Okay, thank you very much, Musa. Yes, أحمد وائل.
The petals of the flower are large, colorful, and look like a triangle.
طب كنت تجيبي لي بيضة بس.
It's too long.
سندوتش الجبنة مش هقدر اكله.
ثانية واحدة.
Soft.
المايك دوت
It can fix the plant and the bottom of the river.
Thank you very much أحمد وائل. Let's move to أحمد ممدوح. اللي خلص يقفل يقفل المايك على طول، تمام؟ Good morning أحمد.
The plants of the flower are
large,
large,
colorful,
colorful, and look like a
triangle.
triangle.
Thank you. Yes, عبد الرحمن شعيب. The stem. عبد الرحمن شعيب. هلو عبد الرحمن. طيب عمر إيهاب.
Good morning, teacher.
Okay, good
The
morning.
stem of the plant is too long, soft, so it can fix the plant at the bottom of the river.
Thank you very much. Okay, I want to ask all of you, how can lotus flower adapt with its habitat? How can lotus flower adapt with its habitat? Yes, Anas?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, how can lotus flower adapts with its habitat? ازاي بيتأقلم؟
Plant at the bottom of the river.
Yes. Thank you, Anas. Yes, Malik. Hello. طيب. أحمد وائل. أحمد وائل.
The lotus flower grows only in fresh water. The leaves of the plant are large. The stem of the plant is too long, soft, so we can fit the plant at the bottom of the river.
Thank you very much, Ahmed. So number one, the lotus flower. The lotus flower has leaves and أوراق. These leaves are large and round, and so it can float on the surface of the water. The leaves help the plant to float on the surface of the water. لو يطفو على سطح الماء. Why? To get the sunlight. عشان يحصل على ضوء الشمس. Also, the stem of this plant is too long. الساق بتاعت النبات دي is too long. We can't see them because it is under the surface of the water, and it can fix the plant at the bottom of the river. تقدر تثبت النبات في قاع النهر. Okay, I want to all of you. Do you see any difficult vocabulary here? Before going to the next slide. Hello? Do you see any difficult vocabulary?
Yes.
Yes, محمد.
أنا مستر. beetles.
Petals اللي هي أوراق الوردة نفسها، شايفينها؟ Petals اللي هي أوراق الزهرة نفسها، نسميها petals أو بتلات.
Bosom.
bottom of the river يعني أسفل النهر أو قاع النهر.
اوكي. طب color.
colorful يعني ملونة يا محمد.
اوكي.
look like a triangle تشبه المثلث. look like يعني تشبه triangle اللي هو المثلث. اوكي. the surface petals قلنا اللي هي أوراق الزهرة، ورقة الزهرة، الورقة بتاعت الزهرة نفسها نسميها البيتلز أو البتلات باللغة العربية. Okay, let's move to another slide and talk about acacia tree. This is the picture of acacia tree. The acacia tree lives in the desert. The acacia tree lives in the desert, grows in the desert, بتنمو في الصحراء, where the weather is dry. The weather is dry, الجو يكون جاف. The leaves of this plant grow only above. Look, the leaves, الأوراق of this plant grow only above. بتنمو الأعلى بس. You can't see any leaves in the middle of this tree. Okay? But the leaves of this plant grow only above. Who can tell me why? Why the leaves of this plant grow only above? Who can tell me the reason?
Read.
Yes, Muhammad?
Okay, teacher, read.
Yes. Who can tell me? There is Malik. Hello, Malik.
Okay.
Why the leaves of this plant grow only above? ليه الأوراق بتنمو إلى أعلى بس؟ Why?
The root of this tree are too
Malik, do you hear
long.
me, Malik?
Yes,
I ask you a question. Why do the leaves of this plant grow only above? Why?
because roots of this tree are too long.
No. Thank you, Malik. Okay, I will tell all of you. The leaves of this plant grow only above to protect them against herbivores animal. Again, the leaves of this plant grow only above. الأوراق بتنمو الأعلى فقط to protect them against herbivores عشان تحميها من آكلة الإيه؟ حيوانات أكلة العشب. Okay. The roots of this tree are too long. الجذور بتاعة النبات ده طويلة جدا. So it can reach. تستطيع اللي هي تصل to the deep soil للأعماق للتربة العميقة to get water. Okay. I want now to listen to Anas. Acacia tree.
The acacia tree lives in the desert where the weather is dry. The leaves of the plant grow only above. The roots of the tree are too long so it can crush.
Thank you very much, Anas. Abdurrahman Shuaib. Acacia.
The acacia tree. The
شجرة
acacia
الصمت.
tree lives in the desert where the weather is dry. The leaves of this plant grow only
Above.
the roots. The roots of this tree are too long so it can reach deep
reach
soil, rich deep soil to get water.
excellent عبد الرحمن, thank you very much عبد الرحمن. سلمان, acacia tree
Acacia tree. The acacia tree lives in the desert where the weather is dry.
the leaves
Leaves The leaves of this plant grow only
above
above
mm.
the roots of this tree are too long, so it can reach deep soil to get water.
Thank you very much Salman, excellent Salman, thank you very much. Okay, I want now to listen to Muhammad Sayed.
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher. Acacia tree. The acacia tree lives in the desert where the weather is dry. The leaves of the plant grow only above the roots
the
of
roots
the tree are too long, so it can reach deep soil to get water.
excellent Muhammad, thank you very much Muhammad. Okay, I want to listen now to Musa. Are you ready Musa? طيب نور الدين يوسف الفيومي.
The
acacia
tree lives in the desert where the
خلاص wait يا موسى wait يا موسى.
is dry. The leaves of this plant grow only above the roots of these tree are too long, so it can reach deep soil to get water.
Thank you very much Musa.
Yes.
acacia tree
Acacia tree.
acacia tree اللي هي شجرة الصمت. شجرة ايه؟
Some
اوكي go on Musa.
lives in the desert where the weather is
dry.
dry. The leaves of these plants grow
only
only above above
the roots
the roots of
These tree are too long, so it can reach
reach
mm,
deep soil
deep soil to get water.
thank you very much موسى let's complete نكمل
Nice, Mister.
yes Noor
Yes,
are you
Mister.
ready
Ready.
okay the acacia tree yes
Leaves
lives hmm,
in desert
the desert
where the weather is dry.
the,
The leaves
the leaf
of
hmm,
this plant
plant
grow only
hmm,
above
hmm,
the root of the
of this tree
trees are
too long
strong, so you can reach 10
deep soil
deep soil to get water.
thank you very much okay listen thank you very much Noor the leaves of this tree الأوراق الشجر ده are covered with thorns do you remember thorns who can tell me the meaning of thorns who can tell me the meaning of thorns
Me,
yes
Mister.
Me.
Swag,
me.
swag.
thank you very much you are right أشواك so the leaves of this tree أوراق الشجر ده are covered with thorns to protect it against herbivores again the tree excellent thank you very much Muhammad the leaves of this tree are covered with thorns مغطاة بالأشواك to protect it against herbivores okay I want to ask all of you how can acacia tree adapt how can acacia trees adapt with its habitat please if you know the answer please only raise your hand how can acacia tree adapts with its habitat yes أحمد وائل
The leaves grow up and root and the the roots too
are
long
very good
are too long
Hmm,
and and it covered with uh, cover and covered with trees with thorns.
excellent okay I want to ask you why does the acacia tree cover with thorns why
To protect it against herbivores.
excellent thank you very much Ahmed let's move to Malik again Malik okay I want to tell me why why do the roots of this tree are too long why do the roots of this tree are too long
To reach deep soil to get water.
excellent thank you very much okay I want to listen to Muhammad Said why do the leaves of this tree covered with thorns
Protect to again herbivores.
excellent thank you very much Muhammad and also the leaves of this plant grow only above بتنمو الأعلى فقط to protect the tree from the herbivores. Okay, let's move to another slide. Thank you very much. We're going to learn about lotus flower at ancient Egyptians. Lotus flower ظهرت اللوتس at ancient Egyptians عند القدماء المصريين. Okay, look at this picture. We can see lots of lotus flower in the hand of the pharaohs في أيدي الفراعنة, and also on the wall of their temples على جدران المعابد. Okay, let's read about the lotus flower at ancient Egyptians. Okay, the lotus flower is a plant that grows in the Nile River. The lotus flower is a plant that grows in the Nile River. بينمو على نهر النيل, and it was one of the holy plants. كان أحد النباتات اللي بنسميها المقدسة, يعني بيتباركوا بيها بيعبدوها. اوكي, يعني بيعتبرينها holy plants, يعني نبات مقدس كده for ancient Egyptians. Okay, as it was associated, يعني بيعتبروها with the resurrection. في البعث, بيعتقدوا فيها ان هي حاجة مرتبطة بالبعث. عارفين البعث يعني ايه يا ابطال؟ اللي هو الحياة بعد الموت. اوكي, يبقى again the lotus flower is a plant that grows in the Nile River and was one of the holy plants, أحد النباتات المقدسة for ancient Egyptians, للقدماء المصريين, as it was associated, يعني اعتبروه with the resurrection, كدليل على البعث. Okay, I want now to listen to Malik.
Okay. The lotus flower, lotus flower is a plant that grows in the Nile River and was one of the holy plants for
ancient Egyptians.
ancient Egyptians, as it was
associated
with the
resurrection.
because it flows.
No, thank you very much, Malik. Wait here. Thank you very much. Okay, I want to now to listen to Salman. Lotus flower.
The lotus flower at
ancient Egyptians.
ancient Egyptians. The lotus flower is a plant that grows in the Nile River and was one of holy plants for an ancient Egyptians, as it was associated with the
Resurrection.
resurrection.
Thank you very much. We will meet again, inshallah. Thank you. And we meet again. Goodbye.